after going to Heart of the Shires, I wanted to go to the range because we don't have a range in North Devon at the moment. There are rumours and things that we are getting one, but until that happens, and it's likely to happen after I'm not there. So I thought, pop along, have a look at the one that's in Leicester, and it was really, really busy. Not with people, but with stock deliveries. There were boxes everywhere, so I just tried to sneak the camera in and out a little bit just to kind of show stuff that was in there. I couldn't get a lot of footage, but I have got some, which I'll show you in a minute. But most of the stuff that I recorded was some homeware, and then every time I tried to walk down an aisle there was somebody standing in it, or there was a box being emptied. I went upstairs and I had a look at the you know, those blow up spas you can get, and I thought, oh, I wouldn't mind one of those. I've just got to find the room in the summer for one. They weren't bad actually. They ranged from about 350 quid to sit and bubble in on to 550. I think the 550, I think, quite frankly, should come with somebody that poured me glasses of Prosecco and fed me strawberries, but I don't think that was on there. Anyway, this is the footage coming up, and then I'll show you what I bought. So you see, couldn't get a great deal, but anyway, got a few bits and pieces that are in there. And because it's most of that stuff that I've shown you is like seaside things, I'm buying up seaside stuff at the moment, kind of to remind me, because I'm going from North Devon, 15 minutes from the beach, into the Midlands for a period of time, and I'm gonna miss my beaches. Anyway, I'll show you what I bought now. Oh yeah, I need to explain something. I do a lot of stuff with vintage. I've done vintage for many years. Maybe I'll do another vlog on that at another time. But I have a big passion for anything vintage. And I adore vintage caravans. I've had two in the past. I've sold both of them now because I don't have the room for them. So because I can't have my vintage caravans, I thought I'd buy this one instead. What do we think? Isn't that cute? I think it's cute. I think it's lovely. It's just a little wood and tin vintage caravan from the range, and it was £7.99, I think. I thought, well, I can just sit and look at that, can't I? Just hang it up or put it on a shelf somewhere, remind myself of North Devon. There is another thing, talking vintage, that I'll explain again at the end of this. So that was it for the range this time. I'll do a better one when I've got a bit more time, and B, not turn up at the range on their delivery day. I need to find out when that is. Right, what's coming up next? Oh yes, just one moment.